Hi guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of my MacBook Air, the M1 chip. It's the base model in space grey, 8GB and 256GB SSD. The reason why I went for this one and not the Pro is because firstly I don't like the touch bar, and then secondly I didn't see the need of spending the extra £300 when the chip is exactly the same and it's just got an extra core GPU. So let's do the unboxing. Premium packaging as always from Apple. The two USB-C, just the headphone jack at the back. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's turn this thing on. That chime is back. Let's see what we've got in the box. Got the USB to USB cable, Apple stickers, the plug. What I've done.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, so I went for the Satechi USB-C PD charger. I'm going to be using this one downstairs to charge my iPad, and I'm going to keep this one in the office. It's going to charge my iPad, it's going to charge my phone and a couple of other USB devices. Okay, so let's power this on. So the speakers over here. Yes, I love this keyboard. I was not very fond of the butterfly switch one.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Trackpad is big enough.
Press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
And it's got the Touch ID. I prefer the function keys over the touch bar. So I've been playing around with this MacBook for about 5 minutes now, and my initial thoughts are wow. I'm impressed by the speed of the laptop. Everything is so snappy. I love the actual keyboard. Can you hear the sound? Bring it close a bit. Let's compare it with my 11-inch Magic Keyboard. Both are, I would say both same sort of level. Let's try opening up some apps. Let's see how quick they are. FaceTime. Video quality is not great, but it will do. You see that? It's really quick. So these were my initial thoughts. If you liked watching my video, my unboxing, please like the button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.